Hi, this is a limit switch with a serious problem. It doesn't want to spring back, but only in one direction. It works still, so it clicks, it switches, but it doesn't spring back. And well, actually it's a real issue for me because I had it in my basement door. It's in this position, and when you open the door, the alarm should be engaged, because this should spring back into this position, and this doesn't happen. Okay, so let's see the marking on it, so you know what it is really. And now let's open it. Or actually, let's just remove this part, so it would be easier to see. So let's first remove those two screws. Now let's remove this screw, and I will focus down in a moment. Here's the mechanism, and let's zoom down. Here is the mechanism, and you probably can already see what the issue is. Here it is how it works in the proper direction, right? And here is the faulty one. There is a small gap here, and this spring, this part of this spring fell into the gap. Yeah. To make it work again, I should just move it maybe this way. Maybe it will work this way. I should move the spring. Yeah, it works again. And to make it even better, well, there is a segger here. It should be moved this way, so the spring will have it harder to fall down. But to me, this is a major design flaw. That's it. Just a short video. Thanks for watching.